Have you been denying intimate pleasures to your partner? Have you been feeling like you have lost those urges? If that's the case, this should definitely be a cause of concern because losing your libido cannot just destroy your sex life but might also affect your relationship. Moreover, it will burden you mentally and emotionally. Don't you just panic now. We are here to help you out. Hello viewers, welcome to Nuru Veda. Today in this video, we are going to present 5 Ayurvedic herbs which can help you spark up your sex life naturally. But before we see those magical herbs, let's discuss the root cause of the issue. Today's stress level and lifestyle makes it common to have a low libido or sex drive problems. Ladies, sadly, you are more at risk than men. According to a study published in the Journal of Sexual Medicine, chronic stress and poor lifestyle is related to lower levels of sexual arousal. Both psychological and hormonal factors contribute to your low libido in women and men. It seems like Mother Nature knew that stress is going to dominate our lives, and that's why we have been blessed with nature's gift to boost our sex life with Ayurveda. Yes, there are certain herbs that can kickstart your sex life in no time. Here are those 5 herbs that will help you sex up your life. Number 1. Ashwagandha or Indian ginseng. Ashwagandha is an herb commonly used in Ayurvedic medicine. It is also called Indian ginseng as well. It has been found to improve sperm count and fertility in men. Indian ginseng does this by regulating hormone levels and making your cells healthier. This herb also used to improve mental clarity and help reduce stress. Addressing these 2 factors can have a very positive impact on your sex drive. According to a study published in the Journal of Biomed Research International, consuming ashwagandha continuously for 8 weeks can help in improving your libido significantly. Not just that, the study noted that sexual satisfaction achieved by women participating also improved. You can purchase these herbs from most drug stores and health food stores. It's available as a powder root extract and in capsule form. In order for it to be most effective, a high daily dosage up to 600 milligrams per day is recommended. Number 2. Shilajit. Shilajit is a world-renowned natural ingredient that can help in having prolonged sex sessions. A study was conducted in 2018 which claims that Shilajit also helps in increasing testosterone in the male body. No wonder you find a whole lot of this herb on honeymoon destinations. This herb is also known to help in improving the sperm count and quality. So if you are facing problems in conceiving, you can also take the help of this Ayurvedic remedy. Number 3. Shatavari or Asparagus racemosus. Shatavari is a particular species of herbs that grows in regions of India, Nepal and Sri Lanka. It's known as curer of 100 diseases. In Ayurveda, it's called Queen of Herbs, which can awaken your libido from hibernation. Shatavari not only can improve your sex drive but also provides energy and endurance to last longer. According to science, Shatavari also shows promising results when it comes to female fertility as well. According to a study published in the Asian Pacific Journal of Tropical Disease, Shatavari is known to nourish the ovum so that childbearing is hassle-free. It can also act upon other sexual disorders like inflammation in sex organs, impotency, erectile dysfunction and premature ejaculation, etc. Number 4. Safed Muesli. This one is another tried and tested aphrodisiac for men and women. But according to science, it seems to offer more to your male counterparts. It has been observed that due to excessive alcohol and cigarette consumption, men usually develop the problem of lower sperm count and low libido. Stress also plays a role here. It's common to see disorders like erectile dysfunction as well. But Ayurveda has a solution for it in a form of Safed Muesli. Safed Muesli has shown an aphrodisiac effect in multiple lab studies, and some research suggests that it boosts sperm count as well. The recommended daily dose of Safed Muesli is 2 grams per a day. It can be purchased in a capsule or pure powder form. Number 5. Saffron. The last thing in the Ayurvedic bucket list that can help in boosting up your sex life is saffron. Well, saffron has been tried and tested as an aphrodisiac for ages. According to a study, saffron is truly godsend for improving sexual dysfunctions, not just in women but in men as well. That's it for today. If you like our video, don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest update on the video. If you have any suggestion, write to us in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Until next time.